In this video, I will teach you how to fold Warhawk. Warhawk is a glider that flies extremely far, and as you can see, it locks in its own three-dimensional shape. Let's see this paper airplane in flight, and then I'll teach you how to fold it. All you will need to fold a Warhawk is an 8.5 by 11-inch sheet of paper. Now start by folding the right edge to the left edge. Crease well and then open back up. Next, you're going to want to fold the triangles, meeting the center crease. So now you're going to fold down on this section right there. It's the section that intersects that parallel where these two creases meet. Or, yeah, just a piece of paper. Now you want to open that fold. Now you want to open these triangles. Now you just want to fold down on that crease right there. Reinforce well, and then you're going to want to fold triangles again. Crease well, and then you're going to want to open these up. Now you want to fold that edge to that crease we just made. So, reinforce. Now you just want to swing this flat back into place. Reinforce all that. And then do the same on the other side. Go. And then reclose that. And there we go. Now, we're going to be making some reference creases. From here, you're going to pick up this piece of paper, and you're just going to pick it up as far as it will go, along that edge right there. Now, you're going to be making a crease. Just use your finger and crease that part. If you do that, turn it over again, do the same on the other side. Just as far as it will go, pull along, and then go ahead and crease. Now you can, if you want, you can just close that paper together like that. Then quickly just reopen it. Now you want to open up these flaps. All that. Now you want to open up that. So you lay your paper flat. Now, where these two things intersect, you're just going to fold down on that point. Now you're going to reclose that, all that together. There we go. Now we're going to be making some references. We're going to be swinging that layer under this one. You can do this by easily just pinching it together. And you want to push that point down. So instead of going like that, you want to push this point right here. You'll reverse quite easily, and then you just push it downward like this. Do the same on the side, just pinching this layer. Make sure it reaches the center crease and intersects, because that is very important. After you've done that, go ahead and close the paper and lay it out flat. go ahead and just reinforce all the creases, the center crease and the top section creases. Now, what you're gonna do is just refold what we made and just tuck it in that flap and that pocket we made right here. Just tuck it in there and just crease. Do the same on the other side. Recollapse all those folds that we unfolded. Now you want to lay out this. We're going to fold the wings now. To fold the wings, you will need to just fold up from this point right here as far as it will go, or this right here will let it go. Just all the way where it can't pull right there. See that? It's starting to cripple. You don't want it to break, or you don't want this to tear. So be very careful and cautious of that. You want to pull it as far as it will go, but to the point where it won't tear. Now you want to match the other side. Now you have a finished Warhawk. This paper airplane flies amazingly, and it might require some up elevator. You can do this by just pinching the back edges of the plane upward, and it sometimes might need adjustments during flight. I hope you enjoy this plane, and thank you for watching.